Ever wondered how YouTubers make money? Well, it's not all magic and mystery. It's a process called YouTube monetization. This is the method that content creators use to earn a living by sharing their talents, skills, and ideas with the world. YouTube monetization is a popular way for creators to generate income. It's more than just uploading videos and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the system, knowing how to navigate it, and using it to your advantage. Imagine turning your passion into profit. Picture your creativity not just reaching millions but also fueling your livelihood. That's the power of YouTube monetization. It's not just about making money, it's about making a living doing what you love. Understanding this process and its potential benefits is crucial for any aspiring YouTuber. It's the foundation that can turn a hobby into a career. So stick around and we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of YouTube monetization. Before anything else, you need to set up your YouTube channel. Setting up a YouTube channel is like planting a seed that you'll nurture into a thriving content tree. Start by creating a Google account, if you don't have one already, and then sign in to YouTube. Click on your profile picture and select Create a Channel. Now, the real magic happens. Here's where you optimize your channel for discovery. Think of this as laying the groundwork for your future audience to find you. Use relevant keywords in your channel description to help potential viewers understand what your content is about. A well-designed channel layout can also be a powerful magnet, enticing people to explore your videos. But remember, the heart of your channel is your content. It's the lifeblood that keeps viewers coming back. Engaging, high-quality content is a must. With the channel set, it's time to explore monetization. Let's dive in, shall we? The key to YouTube monetization lies in the YouTube Partner Program. This program is a gateway that allows creators to monetize their channels and earn revenue from ads, channel memberships, and more. However, it isn't as simple as just signing up. You must first meet certain criteria. The program requires that your channel has a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. This isn't just a number, it represents a community of viewers who appreciate and engage with your content. Additionally, your channel needs to have 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. This demonstrates that your content is not only attracting viewers, but keeping them engaged. Once these requirements are met, you can apply to the program. This involves agreeing to YouTube's terms and conditions, signing up for AdSense, and waiting for YouTube to review your channel. This process may take some time, so patience is key. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply and wait for approval. So, how exactly do YouTubers earn money? Let's dive into that right now. Firstly, we have ad revenue. This is probably the most common way YouTubers make money. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be able to earn money from ads shown on your videos. These ads can be in the form of display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, or sponsored cards. The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can potentially earn. Next up, we have channel memberships. This is where your viewers pay a monthly recurring fee to get unique badges, new emojis, members-only videos, and other perks. It's a great way to build a community and generate a steady income, especially if you have a loyal fan base. Then we have the merchandise shelf. This allows you to showcase your official branded merchandise right on your YouTube channel. From t-shirts and caps to mugs and stickers, you can sell a variety of items related to your content, and the best part, you earn a percentage of every sale. Another interesting way to monetize is through Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are fun ways for your viewers to stand out during live chat. They can purchase these to highlight their messages or stickers in the chat stream, and you earn a share of the purchase. Lastly, we have YouTube Premium revenue. This is generated from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. You see, YouTube Premium users pay a monthly fee for an ad-free YouTube experience, and a portion of this fee goes to the creators they watch. So the more they watch, the more you earn. And there you have it. From ad revenue to channel memberships, merchandise sales, Super Chat and Super Stickers, and YouTube Premium revenue, these are the main ways you can start earning from your channel. Keep in mind, each method requires a different approach and strategy, but with creativity and consistency, you can certainly turn your passion into a paycheck. These are the main ways you can start earning from your channel. One of the most common ways YouTubers earn is through ad revenue. Delve with me into the world of YouTube advertisements and how they fuel the earnings of content creators worldwide. So, what exactly is YouTube ad revenue? In simple terms, it's the money that creators earn from ads that are displayed on their videos. There are several types of ads on YouTube, each with its own unique characteristics and earning potential. First up, we have display ads. These are the ones you see to the right of your video, and they can appear on desktop only. Then there are overlay ads. These semi-transparent ads cover the lower 20% of your video and are also desktop exclusive. Next are the skippable and non-skippable video ads. As their names suggest, viewers have the option to skip the former after 5 seconds while they must watch the latter in their entirety before they can proceed to the video. These ads can appear before, during, or after your video, and they're available on both desktop and mobile. Mid-roll ads are like commercial breaks that play during your video. For these to appear, your video must be at least 10 minutes long. Bumper ads, on the other hand, are non-skippable ads that play before your video, but last only up to 6 seconds. Finally, we have sponsored cards. These are content that's relevant to your video and can show up at any time during its duration. Now, how does YouTube calculate your ad earnings? It's primarily based on CPM, or cost per 1,000 views. This means you earn a certain amount for every 1,000 views your ads receive. However, YouTube takes a 45% cut from your ad revenue as part of their commission. But don't let that discourage you. Remember, the key to maximizing ad revenue is not just about the number of ads you have, but creating content that attracts and retains viewers. Engaging content can lead to more views and, in turn, higher ad revenue. So as you embark on your YouTube journey, always keep in mind, remember, the key to maximizing ad revenue is creating content that attracts and retains viewers. So, you're monetizing. How can you make the most of it? Let's delve into a few strategies that could help maximize your earnings. First, the golden rule. Create engaging content. Your content is the magnet that draws viewers to your channel. The more engaging it is, the longer viewers will stay, and the more likely they are to interact with your videos. This interaction, whether it's likes, shares, comments, or subscriptions, sends positive signals to YouTube's algorithm, which then promotes your content to a wider audience. More views equal more ad impressions, and more ad impressions equal more revenue. Next, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is your best friend when it comes to discovery. The right keywords in your title, description, and tags can make your video more discoverable. This means more views, more ad impressions, and you guessed it, more revenue. So take time to research popular keywords in your niche and use them wisely. Channel memberships can also be a great way to boost your earnings. By offering exclusive perks to your subscribers, you can encourage them to become paying members. This provides a steady income stream that's independent of ad revenue. Remember, it's all about providing value to your viewers. The more value you provide, the more willing they are to support your channel. Collaborating with other creators can also be beneficial. Collaborations can expose your content to a new audience, leading to more views and potential subscribers. Plus, it can be a fun way to mix things up and keep your content fresh. And finally, always follow YouTube's community guidelines. You can't earn revenue if you're demonetized, and you can be demonetized for violating these guidelines. So familiarize yourself with them and make sure your content is compliant. By following these strategies, you can potentially increase your earnings and make a successful career on YouTube. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about YouTube monetization. We started our journey by setting up a YouTube channel, the foundation of our monetization adventure. We then delved into the YouTube Partner Program, a key player in our earning strategy, which allows us to generate revenue through ads, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. We explored the different avenues for monetization, from ad revenue and channel memberships to super chat and merchandise shelf, showcasing the variety of ways you can earn on YouTube. We then took a deep dive into understanding ad revenue, revealing how advertising works and how it can significantly boost your earnings. Lastly, we looked at strategies for maximizing your earnings, with tips like creating high-quality content and promoting viewer engagement, which can help boost your revenue. With these insights, you're well on your way to turning your passion into profit. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube journey today, Tube.